So good to see you guys here tonight. We are so happy to see you. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. So I'm gonna be honest with you. I was gonna try to do this in Spanish, but my Spanish is fucking terrible. So I'm gonna just tell you in English because I want to be as sincere as possible with you guys tonight. I think it's really important. It's important to, I mean, look, you guys are better than we are. You speak English probably too, right? Yeah. We don't speak shit. We're the worst. But I will tell you guys something pretty amazing, if you'll hear me for 1 second. 2 years and 27 days ago, in about 20 hours, we all found out that this was March 12th, 2020. We all found out together as a world that shit was about to shut the fuck down. And we, on that night, were in Buenos Aires. We were here. And it turns out we were not able to perform. The show got canceled and we couldn't perform for you guys. That was 2 fucking years ago. And it tore us apart because there's nothing that we hate more than letting our fans down and where we go to play our concerts. It's the worst thing in the world. But nobody knew what was going on. So then we rescheduled the concert for 1 year later, March, yes. March, I think, the same day, actually, it was supposed to be on March 12th, 2021. Fucking canceled. Once again, we miss another opportunity. Carajo. Is that how you say it here? Carajo. Fuck. I know some words. And so, once again, we were so pissed off because we didn't know if you guys would keep your tickets. We didn't know what the hell was going on. Nobody knew what was going on. And the most important thing at the time was just making sure everybody was safe. Okay, you know, that was the number one thing. And then I've been thinking about this day, today, finally. This day, because I knew that if I could meditate on something positive, like getting to come back here, and look, it's not over yet, all this shit is not over yet, we all know that it's just, who knows, but I just wanted to tell you on behalf of the entire band that we've been waiting for this day, specifically in front of you guys, in this part of the world, for 2 years, and 27 days, and 20 hours, and we're finally here, and it's the greatest thing in the world, and thank you so much for having us back. And a special thank you to anybody who's at this concert tonight, who held on to their ticket and did not let go. If that's you, make a lot of noise right now. Well, it's an emotional and overwhelming moment for us to be here finally, and we're gonna make sure that we do our best for you and that we make it the best fucking night possible. 2 years in the making. Carajo. My new favorite word. Yeah. And this is also a special night because the concert is streaming all over the world right now. It's everywhere. If my little girls are home watching, just want to say wherever you are, I know where you are, but you're at home. You better be at home. If my girls are at home watching, girls, behave, be good, and I'll see you tomorrow. And I love you. And I miss you. And I got you presents in Argentina. Yeah. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Happy ever afters didn't exist. I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love story I'll be sad. Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. Sleeping out in a picture, but you're not here next to me. Say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? In that time that you wasted, all of my bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that